I'm going to try to make this as painless as possible. Personal budgets is something that you are going to use for the rest of your life. How many of y'all have seen a commercial about Rocket Money? Now have you even seen the ads, Rocket Money? It's an app. They're like, I'll pay for whatever if you can tell me how many expenses or how many subscriptions you have. Yep. Yep. So you have a budget. A budget is made up of your expected income and your expenses. When you don't make as much money, that's your income, you cannot spend as much money, which is your expenses. Now, some things you've got to basically spend money on. So what's something you have to spend money on?
Bills.
What kind of bills?
Electricity.
Okay, electricity.
Water.
Do you know what that is every month?
No.
So this would be a variable expense. Lily, what else? What you got?
Groceries.
Groceries. Do you know how much that's going to be every month?
No.
A water bill.
Do you know how much that's going to be every month?
No. A car payment.
Oh, car payment. Do I know how much that is every month?
Yes.
Lily, what you got?
House payment.
House payment.
A phone bill.
Hold on. House payment. You could also think of this as your rent payment. Your rent payment's not going to change. Your phone bill, does that change?
Yes. Wait, no.
Not if you have unlimited.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go ahead and put on here unlimited. That way, if you have unlimited everything, it never changes. Anything else y'all can think of?
Apartment.
Insurance. Insurance is usually fixed.
Oh, gas, yeah.
Yeah, gas. If you're going to have a car, you're going to have gas. And,
Eating out.
oh, yeah.
Restaurant.
Let's say fun money. That's like you're
Christmas.
eating out. That's your Christmas. That's all that fun stuff you like to spend money on. So, we're going to actually talk about what a budget does for you today, as well as how to figure out percentage of what you spend. This is some of the reason why these apps make big money, because people don't love to do this. This is not one of those things that people love to do. They don't love to track their money. They like to spend it, but they don't always love to track it. So, she's creating a monthly budget. We need to figure out how much money she can spend, or how much money she's got to earn in order to meet the budget she's got. So what do I do? What do you think? Add it. Yes, ma'am. Now, I don't know about you, but I get confused if I have more than about 2 numbers at a time. So I'm literally only going to do 2 numbers at a time. Mostly because I don't tend to make mistakes when I do that. So I got that one. 25.50, got that one. That means I've got to take this 4,000, divide it first by 4, because this will be my per week. So that means she needs to make $1,000 a week. Now, if I take that $1,000, divide it by 40, I do 2, so that'd be 80. And that would be 200. 40 times what equals 200? 5. 5. Because 4 times 5 is 20, and then tack on my extra 0. So that means she needs to make $25 an hour. Now, did you hear my thought process? Ooh, $1,000 or $100 an hour? That's expensive. Oh, wait, that doesn't make sense. That couldn't be probable. That's how I knew I made an error. Math has got to be logical. With the exception of the dude with the 20 watermelons in his trunk, it's got to make sense. Y'all cool with that? All right, this one. This one's just knowing the same thing. You're doing your part and whole and percent and 100. Would you all like to see one of these done? Or are y'all good?
Maybe. No.
One done? Okay. We've got the time. That's why I'm asking. How much is their income?
Income is
Okay. And what percent do they spend on housing?
30%.
All right. So now what do I do? Cross multiply. Thank you, Miss Layla. One, two, three, 4. Yeah, I am not multiplying by all those zeros. For those of you who want to, bless you, I don't want to. Because all I did was I just basically took those, put them down there. All right, what's 3 times 5? 15. 3 times 6? Plus 1?
Dang, that's a lot.
Hold on. We got to also remember, divide it by 100.
I would just do 195.
That's still a lot of money. That's a lot of money.
1 million. Yeah, it's a million, right?
Wait, you added an extra.
1,950,000.
Did I?
Yeah, you only put 2 zeros, but on the multiplying, you put 3 zeros behind.
Ooh, I did, didn't I?
Yeah.
Thank you. I was like, hold on, that doesn't make sense. See? Told you, not awake yet. Nice catch, Miss Kennedy. All right, that now makes a lot more sense. 1950. And yes, that was an actual real math error. I have those every once in a while. Apparently when I'm sleepy. Good catch. Told you, can't count. Alrighty, so now I have $1,950. That's this one. If I wanted to know how much they need to save each month, I would need to figure out the percentage for every single one of those numbers. Are y'all seeing why in the world I'm giving you extra time? So, I'm going to go ahead and post up your assignment.
We work as a group this time, you said?
Nope. Not working as a group until everybody's name's off my wall. I'm about to put up your names as well, so if you need anything, let me know.